Hello, everyone. Welcome to the U.S. Immigration News. In 2025, as we know, after Donald Trump, the U.S. immigration system has undergone significant changes. The marriage-based green card process is no longer what it used to be. New policies have reshaped the landscape, introducing unexpected challenges for couples seeking to build their future in the United States. With updated financial requirements, changes to the interview process, and shifting timelines, applicants are facing a system that looks very different from previous years. So in this video, we'll break down the latest changes to the marriage-based green card changes, including new financial thresholds, new interview requirements, and extended processing timelines. If you are interested in this topic and liking this video, please stay tuned until end of the video. If you are liking this video, please hit the bell button, subscribe, and like it so that you may get updates straight to your smartphone. Now let's get into the video. One of the most significant changes in 2025 is the stricter financial requirements for sponsors of marriage-based green card applicants. Under the updated guidelines, sponsors must meet higher income thresholds to demonstrate their ability to support their spouse without relying on public benefits. This is part of the re-implementation of the public charge rule, which had been suspended in recent years but has now returned with even stricter enforcement. Sponsors are now required to provide extensive documentation, including recent tax returns, pay stubs, and proof of employment. In some cases, sponsors may need to submit Form I-944, also known as the Declaration of Self-Sufficiency. This form assesses the applicant's financial independence and considers factors like education level, work history, and even credit scores. For couples who don't meet the income requirements, finding a joint sponsor has become more challenging due to stricter scrutiny of joint sponsor qualifications. If you're preparing your application this year, make sure your financial documentation is thorough and up to date. Mandatory in-person interviews for all applicants. In previous years, some marriage-based green card applicants were eligible for interview waivers if their cases were deemed low risk or if they had been married for an extended period. However, in 2025, USCIS has made in-person interviews mandatory for all applicants. This means that both the U.S. citizen or permanent resident sponsor and their foreign spouse must attend an interview at a local USCIS office or U.S. consulate abroad. During this interview, officers will ask detailed questions about your relationship to ensure it is genuine and not entered into solely for immigration benefits. Questions may include topics like how you met, details about your wedding day, daily routines, and future plans as a couple. Officers may also ask about shared finances or living arrangements. It's crucial to prepare thoroughly for this interview by reviewing your relationship timeline and gathering evidence that demonstrates your life together. Increased processing times and delays. Another significant challenge facing marriage-based green card applicants this year is increased processing times. For those applying from within the United States through adjustment of status, the average wait time has risen to 9 to 12 months, or even longer in some cases. For applicants going through consular processing abroad, delays are even more pronounced due to backlogs at U.S. embassies and consulates worldwide. These delays can extend processing times to 14 months or more. Spouses of U.S. permanent residents face even longer wait times due to annual visa caps on family preference categories. In some cases, these applicants may wait 3 years or more before receiving their green cards. Higher scrutiny and increased RFEs, requests for evidence. In 2025, USCIS has increased its scrutiny of marriage-based green card applications. This has led to a higher rate of requests for evidence, or RFEs. An RFE is issued when USCIS requires additional documentation to make a decision on your case. Common reasons for RFEs include insufficient evidence of a bona fide marriage, missing financial documents from the sponsor, or discrepancies in submitted information. To avoid RFEs, couples should provide robust documentation up front. Evidence that can strengthen your case includes joint lease agreements or mortgage documents, shared utility bills, photos from family events or vacations together, affidavits from friends and family attesting to your relationship's authenticity, and proof of joint finances such as bank statements or tax returns filed jointly. Additional challenges for consular processing applicants. For couples applying from outside the United States through consular processing, additional hurdles have emerged this year. Applicants now face lengthier background checks as part of enhanced vetting procedures aimed at ensuring national security. This includes more rigorous scrutiny of travel history, employment records, and past visa applications. Some applicants may also be required to attend multiple interviews if consular officers have concerns about their eligibility. If you're applying through consular processing in 2025, be sure to double-check all forms for accuracy before submission and keep copies of everything you send to the National Visa Center. Missing or incomplete information can result in significant delays. How to strengthen your application and avoid common pitfalls. Given the increased scrutiny and challenges in 2025, here are some tips to help strengthen your marriage-based green card application. 1. Prepare comprehensive documentation. Gather and submit strong evidence of your marriage, including joint financial records, shared leases, travel records, and affidavits from friends and family. 2. Ensure financial eligibility. Make sure the sponsoring spouse meets the income threshold. If needed, secure a reliable joint sponsor who meets USCIS requirements. 3. Be ready for the interview. Review your relationship history. Prepare answers to possible questions and ensure you and your spouse are aligned on important details. 4. Respond to RFEs quickly. If you receive a request for evidence, provide the requested documents as soon as possible to avoid further delays. 5. Double-check all forms. Errors or missing information on your application can lead to delays or denials. Take time to review everything carefully before submission. The path to obtaining a marriage-based green card in 2025 may be more demanding than ever before, but with preparation and persistence, it's possible to achieve your goal of building a life together in the United States. Staying informed about the latest immigration policies, gathering strong evidence, and ensuring accuracy in your application are key steps to increasing your chances of approval. If you're planning to apply, start early, stay organized, and seek professional legal assistance if needed. With the right approach, you can navigate these challenges successfully and reunite with your loved one in the U.S. That's all we have for this bulletin. The U.S. Immigration News Channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas, such as B1 and B2, work visas, such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel for more US immigration update videos.